How you doing, guys? Terry Loomis, Warmboard Regional Manager for upstate New York and Pennsylvania. I'm out here in the Adirondacks today. Right now we're going to walk you through and check out the subfloor panels that were already installed. And then we're going to park our heads into that dark, dank basement and check out the in-slab radiant heat. A lot of people don't realize at Warmboard that you could actually utilize up to 50% of your project with in-slab radiant heat and still receive all the mechanical engineering wet stamp plans from Warmboard for that space. It'll all tie into our boiler pumps and controls that we'll supply and warranty for your project. As you can see over here, you're gonna have some PEX tubing coming out of this slab for the in-slab radiant heat like I discussed, and those manifolds are actually gonna run up, and you're gonna be able to tie in our actuators and our thermostats and everything using a LoRa communication, military grade communication. As long as you have electricity, it's firing. And that's gonna make all this pump and run simultaneously as your main level Warmboard panels. And that's gonna give you that complete system. Here we are, guys, in front of that additional garage / personal use space. As you can see, this main level, I'm gonna show you right now, is actually utilizing in-slab radiant heat on the lower portion where it's gonna be the garage. There are a lot of areas where we agree, even at Warmboard, that in-slab radiant heat can be beneficial. Garages, below-grade basements, certainly. We're not forcing panels here. We're trying to drive ultimate comfort and efficiency, and we understand that utilizing in-slab radiant heat can be appropriate. All right, guys, that's all it for this project out here in beautiful Lake Placid, New York. On to the next one.